Welcome back to the channel of Mr. RX Tablet. Today we will know about ORS, means oral rehydration salts. Most of our people think this is just a salty water for when you are hungover or have a stomach flu, but the World Health Organization calls oral rehydration salts or ORS one of the most important medical breakthrough of the 20th century. Why? Because dehydration is the one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and this little packet is the most effective way to stop it. When you are severely dehydrated, drinking a plain water isn't always enough. Your body needs a very specific ratio of sodium and glucose. That's a salt and sugar to act like a key. This key unlocks your intestinal walls, allowing your body to absorb water up to 25 times faster than normal. It's not just a hydration, it's a high-speeding refueling. So when you actually use it, it's not just when you are feeling a bit thirst. You need a ORS when your body is losing fluids faster than you can drink them. This usually happens in three scenarios: sickness, heat exhaustion, intense exercise. Sickness: if you have a diarrhea or a vomiting, your body is flushing out electrolytes. Second, heat exhaustion: if you are been sweating excessively in the sun. Third, intense exercise: if you are an endurance athlete losing salt through your skin. For infants and the elderly, dehydration happens fast. If a child is lethargic or has dry lips, don't wait. Start ORS immediately. Preparation of ORS. Preparation is the where most people get it wrong. Follow these three rules. Rule 1. Use the right water. Always use clean and safe drinking water. If you are in an area where the water quality is questionable, boil it up and let it cool first. Rule 2. Don't guess the ratio. Read the packet. Most are designed for exactly 1 liter of water. If you use too little water, the solution is too concentrated and can actually make a diarrhea worse. If you use too much of it's too diluted to work. Rule 3. Stir, don't boil, just stir until the powder dissolves. Never boil the solution after mixing, as it changes the chemical structure. And remember, no substitution. Don't mix ORS into milk, juice or soda. It messes with the key we talked about earlier. Just use plain water. Storage and the red flags. Once you mixed it, the clock starts at a room temperature. It lasts 12 hours. If you have a fridge, it's good for 24 hours. After that, toss it, make a fresh batch. The final note for you: ORS is a lifesaver but isn't not a cure-all. If you see a blood in the stool of high fever, if someone cannot keep the fluid down because they are vomiting too much, stop the daycare and get to the doctor immediately. Stock your first aid kit, stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next video.